In today's video, I'll show you how to hard reset your iPhone 15. This can be really helpful if your device is unresponsive or acting strangely. So let's dive right in. Firstly, let's quickly discuss what a hard reset is. A hard reset forces your iPhone to reboot, which can help resolve software glitches without erasing any of your data. Now let's get into the steps for hard resetting your iPhone 15. Start by pressing and quickly releasing the volume up button on the left side of your device. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This usually takes about 10 seconds. If your phone is still not responding after the hard reset, you might want to check for software updates or consider restoring your device using iTunes or Finder. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reset your iPhone 15. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.